how to get storage permission in Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get storage permission in Android, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to basically get storage permission in Android, first of all decide the app on which you want to allow the storage permission, and then from after that open up settings. After you open settings, look for the option called apps or applications or something like that, depending upon the Android version you're using or the device you're using. So when you go to apps here, now search for the app. Let's say I was wanting to allow the permission for Messenger. I will select Messenger here and then go to permissions. Now one thing you have to understand is that storage permission does not come in the name of storage permission. It comes in the name of however that storage is being used, because in this way here you can see music and audio. Where do they come from? They come from your storage, so they are also a storage permission, so you need to allow them. The other is, where do photos and videos come from? They come from your storage, so you need to make sure to allow that permission. And after that, if none of this works, you can just try tapping the three dots option and then going to all permissions instead, and here you'll see all the permission that Messenger app can or cannot access. You might want to scroll to photos and videos. Here you can see read video files from storage, allow it, and just make sure to allow all the permissions it requires, and hopefully that way you can get the storage permission working on your Android. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.